Set up pretty good. Here's what we got. We ordered from Dinowax. Right here. They're doing today hopefully great. It's a beautiful day today. Nice and sunny out. It's warm. It's pretty hot. So got ordered something in the mail. It came in finally. So but before we open that, talk about the scat pack. It's still damaged. Take it in soon. And then you guys are still gonna have videos that I have coming out. It's gonna have the car with no damage because I'm like a month behind. So I figure I'd throw that out there in case I put a video out there while it's in the shop and it shows the car, because I got a couple I did with the Jeep waxing it, and I showed the the scat pack, so, and another like car show video, stuff like that. So yeah, the damage still there. Check it out. But I tell you what, I got that Just Car sealant on there. That stuff works pretty good if you really think about it. I mean, I wiped some off with my finger right here. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you put some detail spray, I mean, you can't even tell right there. You know, I mean, you buff it out. I mean, that's the only damage of the bumper, really. I mean, I think if it's scratched there, but I think a lot of that, I mean, it could be buffed out. But they're replacing the bumper because it's right here. The paint's missing there. But other than that, pretty happy well the bumper held up pretty good. I mean, this is the part that stinks, and then right here too. But with that wax on there, I mean, that's pretty good. Just scuff right there. I bet you if I got some detail spray, maybe. Yeah, right there with my nail. I mean, I'm getting the door anyway. So yeah, right there, it comes right off. You can still feel the sealant on there. So yeah, if you figure that sealant did pretty good for scrapes. I guess gotta laugh about it now. So hey, let's get to see what we got. Set up pretty good. Here's what we got. We ordered from Dinowax. Right here. And I used Wahagi KY's code from his channel to get 15% off. I'll put his link down below. You guys can check his channel out, and you can use his link. See if we can get it out. Got it pretty quick too, out of California. Just take it. Oh, that's how you open it. There you go. Oh, check that out. See that? It's a tray. Hang in your garage. Put all your bottles in. Alright, it's a kit. You get the tray, and you get their product. I need to find my other knife. I'm missing a lot of stuff. And you get the products. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. So yeah, so all together was $60.11. Okay, and then with the discount, I got off $8.70. So which isn't bad, because originally the price is $58, and the shipping was $10.87, so basically brings it up. So pretty much you get free shipping using his code. I'll link it down below. You can't beat that. $60 for all the product. $60.11. Can't beat that at all. I'll tell you what we get. Oh, just my information. Looks like they wrapped it pretty good. Pretty cool. Oh, tire dressing. Oh, that wasn't, I don't think that was in the kit. Oh, that's cool. They threw that in there, I believe. So set that here. What else we get? Wash and wax. That's cool. Those might be samples. Sweet. And then we got glaze right here. I like the bottles, pretty cool. Scratch compound. It's not a bad price, actually. Cotton cream. I haven't never used any of your products, so I'm gonna look up how to use them. Got a sealant. Well, that's pretty cool. Might have the perfect vehicle to try this out on. Express wax. And then clean and polish. So, that ain't bad. Hopefully we can see that. Kind of set the camera up. Pretty good kit for the price, $60 using his code. Yeah, you can't beat that at all. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on how to use their product. Dinowax, clean and polish, express wax, synthetic wax, cut and cream, scratch compound. Then we got a glaze, Michael Chronic, something like that. Great. They threw in the wash and wax, tire dressing. Might order a big bottle of this too, so I'll have it and I can use it. But yeah, we'll have to test this stuff out. See how long this sealant lasts. Maybe I can get it. I got the perfect vehicle, hopefully, to try the sealant out and see how it lasts in the winter. And actually, I might be able to use all these products on it, on that vehicle. So hopefully the next couple weeks, when the weather holds up, I'm getting a car for the winter, back and forth to work, and it needs a good washing and wax and a good cleaning. So, and those products right there would be perfect for it. So hopefully, I'll be getting that vehicle soon. We'll see. Wait for my brother. He's what's nice of him, he's giving it to me. Can you believe that? That's so cool of him. Yeah. So he's giving me the car. He's getting a new Jeep. Not a new Jeep. His wife's Jeep. He's getting his wife a new car. So those products will be great to be using on there. So yeah, definitely we'll be trying that out. Or maybe I don't know. There's a couple other vehicles I can maybe try it out. Some family or some friends too. So if that doesn't, I don't get that in time before winter, because that is getting put away once it's fixed. That's it. Don't know where, because the garage is going to be full. I'll see if I'll find somewhere. Might have a couple spots where I can store it for the winter. So we'll see what's up. Maybe I should sell the Mustang. I don't know. It's just been sitting for 2 months. I need to wash it. I'm gonna take it out today and wash it. Maybe take it for a ride. It's been sitting for a while. I don't know. What do you guys think? So definitely gonna try these products out. Can't beat that price for sure. That is a good price. That's really good price. Cause some stuff, you know, like Chemical Guys Jet Seal is, for example, is $38 just for one thing. I'm not getting all this for $60. So yeah, that's very good. I believe the stuff will work out pretty good. Seen some good stuff online about it. I just never tried it. I'll do a little bit more research and test all these products out for you guys on a vehicle that definitely is going to need a good detailing by us hobbyist detailers, driveway detailers. That's what we are. So we're always detailing a driveway. Oh yeah, what are you guys waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so you guys stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. Come on, do it now. I've been looking at them. So it looks like this is basically the order that they would go by. This is your cut and cream. This will be, it basically says for freshly painted in body shops, or I'm assuming, you know, some fine scratches and swirl marks right here. That'll be your cutting. And this is, you'll be scratch compound, just for removing light scratches and paint, headlights. You can even use it on chrome. So like say if you went with this, after that you were gonna definitely use the clean and polish, and then go with your glaze or your wax or sealant and then wax. Hopefully I did that right. And then say you got your clean and polish, and then this removes residue and swirl marks. You can use it on chrome also. Bet you it shines out chrome like crazy. Same thing, if you use this, you can go straight into your glaze and your sealant and your wax, or this glaze and sealant and wax. Or if you skip the glaze, you can go whatever, sealant and wax, or just go to polish and wax. But if you use this, the way I was reading, it's this, and then 2, and then 3, and well, this says 4 and 5. Cutting cream, you're gonna use this for, you know, deep scratches, fresh paint, probably for like if you're wet sanding, stuff like that. So if you're not sure about using cutting cream, I would start out with the scratch compound or your cleaning polish, because you can always go back. If the cleaning polish is not getting it, you can always go to this and then to this and then do your steps. At least that way, if they're not real deep. This, I think this right here is for, you know, coarse to fine sand scratches. So yeah, it's got to be pretty good to use this. This is like probably your extreme cases. This is you can also use this for plastic and chrome. That's pretty cool. And this removes stain remover. So I'll probably be using all of them on that vehicle. So that's what I figured. Definitely gotta look up though about the express wax and the synthetics wax, because to me this should be, if you're gonna use a synthetic, then put the wax on. So we'll see. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for all our videos. You guys have a great one. Later.